I know I am in love with you because my reality is finally better than my dreams. The magic of our first love is our ignorance that it can never end. Your first love is not the first person you give your heart to. It's the first one who breaks it. The greatest happiness of life is the conviction that we are loved for ourselves, or rather loved in spite of ourselves. The best love is the kind that awakens the soul and makes us reach for more, that plants a fire in our hearts and brings peace to our minds. Love recognizes no berries. It jumps hurdles, leaps fences, penetrates walls to arrive it at its destination full of hope. A great love is never too small to be noticed and never too great to be forgotten. The beauty of true love is that it is never lost, even if the person you love is no longer with you. That love will always remain in your heart. The first time you said you love me, my heart overflowed with joy. We try in vain to hide it from ourselves. We must constantly adore something. The feeling can be found in seemingly unrelated situations, and men cannot possibly live for a minute without it. It's amazing how one day someone walks into your life and you cannot remember how you ever lived without them. The beauty of first love is that it teaches you how to love and how to let go. The greatest thing you will ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. You know, when you look at him for the first time and experience that feeling you have never had before, you know you have fallen in love with just one look. First, love is a kind of vaccination which saves men from catching the complaint the second time